there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm coming at you from England to bring you the Hayley wig in the color Warmth, both by Tony of Beverly. So, while the wind is cooperating with me, because it's England, let me go ahead and do a little 360 for you, so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. So before we do anything else, let me go ahead and take advantage of the wind cooperating for a moment to show you what Hayley looks like on all sides. This wig is straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to it. So as you can see, it comes with this curl pattern. It's already voluminous and bouncy. It already has this sort of swept up front, which gives you an opportunity to showcase that lace front. Speaking of which, let me go ahead and show you what that looks like up close. Push it up on my forehead a little bit. You can see that they put the lightest color of the color blend right up against the hairline. That helps the knots sort of blend right in. And that's a really nice lace front. It starts off kind of sparse, gets gradually thicker as you get towards the top. This wig does have a permateased top. So yeah, this wig has a ton of personality and requires zero effort to wear. She came right out of the box just like this. I haven't combed her, haven't really fluffed her much, though I could fluff her up a little bit more. Just kind of show you what she looks like that way. I'll give you a hint, she looks curly. Isn't this one fun? She's like the waves on the sea behind me. So this thing is 5.7 ounces of going that way right now, so I'm just gonna let it keep doing its thing. But yeah, supposedly it's 5 to 7 inches. Definitely meant to be swept off the side, comes that way, you'll have to fight it to get it to go elsewhere. The crown down is 7 inches, but all of these measurements should be taken with a gigantic dose of salt, just because this is a super curly wig. It's gonna be a little shorter than the measurements indicate. The nape is 3 to 4 inches, so she's pretty darn short in the back. Because with those curls, she just kind of goes boop. So this is more like a 2-inch nape. So very short in the back. And the overall length, supposedly, the top of the crown down to the bottom is 12 inches. Again, grain of salt, you know. Yeah, I like this warmth color a lot too. This is a really lovely color. It's got a lot going on, but it's not super warm. This is like a natural light brown that has warm, light golden brown highlights. So it's got a little bit of caramel. It's got a little bit of gold. It is not a brassy color. It is not super duper warm. What you see is what you get. It's just very subtle and gently warm, you know. So if you don't want something that goes to extremes, this is a really nice color combination. Looks very natural and very accommodating for various skin tones. I'm gonna go ahead and take Hayley off now so I can show you the cap construction. This is a permateased wig, so you can see that permatease under there. They call these their harp caps. Basically, underneath here we've got open wefts, and they've got a little bit of very porous lace on top to help the cap breathe. Then we've got open wefts on the side and the back. This is not a super duper stretchy wig, but she does stretch a little bit better than some of their hand-tied caps. She has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters and felt here on the ear tabs as well. They do have a nice bit of fur metal in them too, which I also like. Here's that warmth color up close. You can see it's got, especially here at the front hairline, you can see that light golden brown with that little bit of blonde in there. And that base, so there you go, and then that base, that's sort of like a medium brown almost. You can see more of it down here. And subtle warm little pick-me-up highlights. Very pretty on a wig like Hayley, where those subtle little changes in color really play up on the texture. And you can see that texture really nice And up close here, you can see here at the bottom, the corkscrews generally tend to point downward. Very beautiful curl pattern, very contemporary. I'm gonna go ahead and put Haley back on for you now. This is only a 3.2 ounce wig, so really nice and light, easy to wear. And if you're looking for something quirky, this is a nice alternative to something like, say, the Wiki from Ellen Villa. This one's got a slightly less crimpleicious sort of curl pattern. So this has been my review of the Haley wig by Tony at Beverly in the color Warmth, which is a really luscious sort of light brown color. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.